You're on.
Leave me like this.
You're on.
We're at the fire station. We're about to let Chris go in.
Y'all just gonna leave me hanging? Yes.
I don't help criminals.
Come on, guys.
You're on.
Guys.
There's cars in the driveway. That means there's people here.
Guys. Y'all really gonna just
In there.
Guys.
I don't know.
Just gonna...
I'll walk with you.
Come on, man.
Because I gotta film it. Let me out, Serge.
Get out there. You want to take the key with you?
We're at the neighborhood fire station now.
I love Chris. To the door. I don't want to go in. Should I go in?
Can you open that?
Yeah. That's your tax dollar pays for it.
Just go.
I don't want to go in.
You don't want to get those off?
I want to get these
Yeah.
off.
I told you the plan.
What?
Go to the. Let's make moves, and now we made moves, and you're scared to go in. I'm pouring out a little liquor, remembrance of my nigga's wrist.
Poured it out.
His wrist was like linguine.
We wish.
Man,
Chris, there's a car here.
There's no
There are two cars here.
Dude, they're here. They're sleeping.
Where? You don't see that.
Yes, you do.
Yes, you do. Until you hear a.
Stop filming me, man.
Why? Don't lash out at the camera.
There's no door open.
This one's open.
I mean, what we gonna do? Walk in?
Knock on the window.
Yes. Walk in. There's nobody in there.
Is that one open too? Stop knocking like a biatch. Knock with some pride. Knock with some urgency. Chris, knock with some urgency. Emergency.
I mean, it's not for emergency. They're gonna be mad.
Okay, Chris, it's not about them being mad. If that's the case, everybody's gonna be mad when you bother them this late about being an idiot. I'm mad.
I'm mad.
I'm cold. I don't even know what to say.
What's that next? Shit.
Call. What?
That's for
No,
emergency.
that calls 911.
Yeah.
Call 911.
This isn't a 911 type of issue.
So, stop filming inside.
Why?
I'm mad, man. It's not a joke.
Cut your head off, son.
I'll never make fun of you again if you cut your hand off.
You what? You made fun of me for having one hand.
You're right.
I know if you're lying sometimes.
One man hand, man.
What power do you wish you had now? What's that? The cartoon where the dude could turn into slime and slide under doors and then turn back into a.
You wish he was Alex Mack? You want to go to the police station?
Police station. I already called it. You have no say-so in the shotgun. I already called it, man.
You right in the back.
I'm not right in the back.
Let's do rock, paper, scissors.